Hello students, in part 2 of quadratic equations, I have explained up to number 14 of 4C, and number 15 and 16 you can do it yourself. Let me show question number 17 now. Here question is a square b square x square plus b square x minus a square x minus 1 equals to 0, and we have to solve the equation by factorization. Now if you see first two terms, here b square x is common, so if we take b square x common, then we are left with a square x plus 1. Clear? From first and second term we can take b square x common, then here we are left with a square x plus 1. From last two we can take minus 1 common, then it will be a square x plus 1. Now if you check b square x into a square x, it will be a square b square x square. B square x into 1, it will be b square x minus a square x plus minus minus 1 into 1, 1. Now a square x plus 1, here also a square x plus 1, it can be taken common, so it will be a square x plus 1. If I take this part and this part common, then we are left with b square x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can say either a square x plus 1 equals to 0, or the other part which is b square x minus 1 equals to 0. A square x will be minus 1, so x will be minus 1 divided by a square, and here b square x will be equals to 1, so x will be 1 by b square. Therefore required roots of the equation are minus 1 by a square and 1 by b square, and this is the required answer. Now question number 18 is twice x by x minus 4 plus twice x minus 5 divided by x minus 3 equals to 25 by 3, and here x is not equals to 3 and 4. If we take the LCM of x minus 4 and x minus 3, it will be x minus 4 into x minus 3. This LCM divided by x minus 4, it will be x minus 3, so it will be twice x into x minus 3 plus this LCM divided by x minus 3, it will be x minus 4, so it will be twice x minus 5 into x minus 4 equal to 25 by 3. Now twice x into x, it will be 2x square plus minus minus 3 to the 6x plus, now twice x minus 5 and x minus 4 we have to multiply. We can write twice x into x minus 4 minus 5 into x minus 4, and in the denominator it will be x into x minus 3 minus 4 into x minus 3, which is equal to 25 by 3. So 2x square minus 6x plus 2x into x 2x square plus minus minus 4 to the 8x minus 5 into x 5x minus minus plus 4 5 the 20. Here it will be x into x x square minus 3 into x thrice x minus 4 into x 4x minus minus plus 3 4 the 12 equals to 25 by 3. Now it will be 2x square plus 2x square, it will be 4x square. So minus 6x minus 8x and minus 5x, if these three are added we are going to get minus 19x plus 20, and in the denominator it will be x square minus 3x minus 4x, it will be added, so it will become minus 7x plus 12 equals to 25 by 3. If you cross multiply, then it will be 3 into 4x square minus 19x plus 20 equals to 25 into x square minus 7x plus 12, 3 4 the 12x square plus minus minus 3 into 19 57x plus 3 into 20 it will be 60 equals to 25x square plus minus minus 25 7 ja 175x plus into plus plus 25 into 12 it will be 300. So it will be 12x square minus 57x plus 60. Now these three terms if we transfer in the other side, it will be minus 25x square. This minus will become plus 175x and it will be minus 300 equals to 0. Now 12x square minus 25x square, these two will give minus 13x square minus 57x plus 175x, it will be plus 118x, and plus 60 minus 300, it will give minus 240 equals to 0. Since first term is negative, so we can take minus 1 common. It will be 13x square minus 118x plus 240 equals to 0. Since I have taken minus, so this first part will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus. So 13x square minus 118x plus 240 equals to 0. This minus 1, if we transfer in the other side, it will be 0 by minus 1. So directly we can write 0. Now we have to solve this equation. There are many ways by which it can be solved. Here we are going to use factorization process, which is also known as middle term factorization. For middle term factorization, we have to multiply 13 with 240. So if we multiply, it will be 3120, and after that we have to prime factorize like this, and after that we have to find one combination so that we can get 118. Or another way you can do 13 into 240, we can write like this. This 240 can be written as 24 into 10, and 13 you just keep as it is. Now 24 is 3 into 8, 13 will remain as it is, 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Here 3 to the 6, 6 into 13, it will be 78, 5 into 8, 40. Now if you consider 78 and 40, then you are going to get 118. Just add 78 and 40, it will be 118, and if we multiply, it will be equal to 240 into 13. So after writing this step, it's up to you. You can find the factors using this or this. So here we got 13x square minus, instead of 118 we are writing 78 plus 40 into x plus 240 equals to 0. So 13x square minus 78x plus minus 40x plus 240 equals to 0. From first two I can take 13x common, then here we are left with x minus 6. From last two we can take minus 40 common, it will be x minus 6. 13x into x, 13x square, 6 into 13, it will be 78. So it will be minus 78x minus 40x minus plus 40 into 6, it will be 240. X minus 6, again these two I can take common, then we are left with 13x minus 40 equals to 0. So either x minus 6 is 0 or 13x minus 40 equals to 0. From here we will get x equals to 6, and here 13x equals to 40, x equals to 40 divided by 13. Now in question number 20 it is given 3 divided by x plus 1 minus half equals to 2 divided by 3x minus 1, and in the question it is given x is not equals to minus 1 and 1 by 3. Now here if we take the LCM, it will be 2 into x plus 1. 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1, it will be 2, so it will be 3 into 2, so we can write 3 into 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by 2, it will give x plus 1, so it will be minus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 2 3x minus 1. Now 3 to the 6 minus 1 into x minus x plus minus 1 into 1 twice x, 2 into 1 2 equals to 2 by 3x minus 1. 6 minus 1, it will be 5 minus x divided by twice x plus 2 equals to 2 divided by 3x minus 1. Now if we cross multiply, it will be 5 minus x into 3x minus 1, and here it will be 2 into twice x plus 2. So 5 into 3x minus 1 minus x into 3x minus 1 equals to 2 to the 4x plus 2 to the 4. So 3 5 the 15x plus minus 5 1 the 5 minus 3x into x, 3x square minus plus x equals to 4x plus 4. So 15x plus x, it will be 16x minus 5 minus 3x square. This 4x plus 4, if I transfer in the other side, it will be minus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. 16x minus 4x, it will be 12x minus 5 minus 4, it will be minus 9 minus 3x square equals to 0. Now from these 3 I can take minus 3 common, it will be minus 4x plus 3 plus x square. Just check minus plus 3 4 ja 12x plus minus 3 3 ja 9 plus minus 3x square equals to 0. So it will be minus 4x plus 3 plus x square equals to 0 divided by minus 3, it will be 0. So it will be x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Now we have to do middle term factorization. Here 1 into 3, it will be 3, and 3 can be written as 1 into 3. So instead of 4, we can write 3 plus 1. So it will be x square minus 3 plus 1x plus 3 equals to 0. So x square minus 3 into x thrice x plus minus minus x plus 3 equals to 0. From first two, I can take x common. It will be x minus 3. From last two, if I take minus 1 common, it will be x minus 3. So we got x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3 equals to 0. Now if we take x minus 3 common, then we are left with x minus 1 equals to 0. So either x minus 3 equals to 0, which will give x equal to 3, or x minus 1 equals to 0, so x will be 1. Therefore, required roots of the equation are 3 and 1. Question number 21 is of similar type, so you can do. Let me show question number 22. Here it is given a by x minus a plus b by x minus b equals to twice c divided by x minus c, and here x is not equals to a or b or c. Now here also, like previous sum, we have to take the LCM x minus a into x minus b. This LCM divided by x minus a, it will be x minus b, so it will be a into x minus b, plus this LCM divided by x minus b, it will give x minus a, so it will be b into x minus a equals to twice c by x minus c. Now a into x, ax plus minus minus ab plus b into x, bx plus minus minus ab. In the denominator, if you multiply x into x, x square, x into minus b, minus bx, minus a into x, minus minus plus a into b equal to twice c by x minus c. Now ax minus ab minus ab, it will be minus twice ab plus xb. This term we can multiply with x minus c equals to twice c, then x square minus bx minus ax plus ab. So this I have written here, so we have just cross multiplied. Now x into ax, it will be ax square plus minus minus twice ab into x twice abx plus into plus bx square, then minus c into ax minus cax minus minus plus twice abc plus minus minus xbc equals to 2cx square plus minus minus 2bxc twice bcx plus minus minus 2cax plus into plus plus twice abc. Now we will transfer these terms in the left hand side. First we are writing the square terms, so it will be ax square plus bx square minus 2cx square. Next we will write the x terms, so it will be minus twice abx minus cax minus xbc plus twice cbx plus twice acx plus twice abc, and plus twice abc, if I transfer, it will become minus twice abc equals to 0. These two can be cancelled, so it will be ax square plus bx square minus 2cx square minus twice abx plus twice acx minus acx. If I subtract, then I am going to get plus acx. Similarly, twice cbx minus xbc, it will give only bcx equals to 0. From these terms, I can take x common, so it will be ax plus bx minus twice cx minus twice ab plus ac plus bc equals to 0. So we got x into this term equals to 0. So either x is 0 or this whole thing equals to 0. So here we have written either x equals to 0 or ax plus bx minus twice cx minus twice ab plus ac plus bc equals to 0. Now ax, bx and twice cx will keep in one side, minus twice ab, ac and bc we are just transferring in the other side, because here no x is there. From these three I can take x common. It will be a plus b minus twice c equals to twice ab minus ac minus bc. Therefore x equals to twice ab minus ac minus bc divided by a plus b minus twice c. So the roots of the given equation is either x equals to 0 or x equals to twice ab minus ac minus bc, whole thing divided by a plus b minus twice c. In question number 23, it is given a plus b whole square x square minus 4abx minus a minus b whole square equals to 0. Here if we multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant part, then it will be minus a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. Since this is negative because one minus sign is there, that means we need two terms whose difference should be 4ab. If I consider one term to be a plus b whole square, another is a minus b whole square, and if we subtract, then it will be a square plus twice ab plus b square minus a square minus twice ab plus b square. So a square plus twice ab plus b square minus a square minus minus plus twice ab plus minus b square plus b square minus b square cancel, plus a square minus a square cancel, so it will be 4ab, and here also it is 4ab. So instead of 4ab we can write a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square into x. So here it will be a plus b whole square x square minus a plus b whole square into x minus minus plus a minus b whole square x minus a minus b whole square equals to 0. Now from first two I can take a plus b whole square x common. Then we are left with from this part x minus 1. From last two if I take a minus b whole square common, then we are left with x minus 1. Again x minus 1 is common, so it will be x minus 1. Then we are left with a plus b whole square x plus a minus b whole square equals to 0. So we got product of this into this. So either x minus 1 equals to 0, which will give x equal to 1, or a plus b whole square x plus a minus b whole square equals to 0. So a plus b whole square x equals to minus a minus b whole square. This a plus b whole square I have transferred in the other side, so it will be minus. So x will be minus a minus b whole square by a plus b whole square, which can be written as minus a minus b by a plus b whole square. Therefore required roots of the equation are 1 and minus a minus b by a plus b whole square. Question number 24, it is given that abx square plus b square minus acx minus bc equals to 0. Now it can be written as abx square plus b square into x, it will be b square x plus minus minus ac into x minus bc equals to 0. From first two I can take bx common. If I take bx common, we are left with ax plus, from here I have taken bx common, so another b is left. From last two I can take minus c common, and if minus c is taken common, we are left with ax plus b equals to 0. Again from these two ax plus b can be taken common, so we are left with bx minus c. Now product of this into this is 0, that means either ax plus b equals to 0 or bx minus c equals to 0. From here ax equal to minus b, x equal to minus b by a, and from here bx equals to c, so x will be c by b. So minus b by a and c by b are the required roots of the given equation. I hope question number 25 and 26 you can do it yourself. Let me show question number 28. Here it is given twice x minus 1 by x plus 3 minus 7 x plus 3 to x minus 1 equals to 5. Here these two terms are reciprocal of each other, so we can consider let x minus 1 by x plus 3 equals to y. So this equation can be written as twice y minus 7 by y equals to 5, where y is x minus 1 by x plus 3. So we are replacing x minus 1 by x plus 3 by y, and here just because it is reciprocal we have written divided by y. Now here LCM will be y. Here we can consider it is by 1. Y divided by 1 is y. Y into 2y, 2y square minus y divided by y 1. 7 1 just 7 equals to 5. So 2y square minus 7 equals to 5 into y, 5y. So 2y square minus 5y minus 7 equals to 0. Now we have to go for middle term factorization. If we multiply the coefficient of y square with the constant part, it will be 2 into minus 7, it will be minus 14, and since it is negative, so we need two numbers whose difference should be 5. Now 14 can be written as 1 into 14 or 2 into 7. Since 7 minus 2 is 5, so instead of 5 we are going to write 7 minus 2. So it will be 2y square minus 7 into y, 7y minus minus plus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. From first two I can take y common, it will be twice y minus 7 From last two other than 1 nothing is common, so if I take 1 common it will be twice y minus 7 equals to 0. Since it is same term, so twice y minus 7 again can be taken common, so we are left with y plus 1 equals to 0. Since we got product of these two terms equals to 0, so either twice y minus 7 equals to 0 or y plus 1 equals to 0. So twice y equals to 7, y is 7 by 2. We have considered x minus 1 by x plus 3 to be y, so instead of y we can write x minus 1 by x plus 3 equal to 7 by 2. If I cross multiply, twice x minus 2 equals to 7x plus 3 7 is 21, twice x minus 7x equal to 21 plus 2 minus 5x is 23, so x equals to minus 23 by 5. Again from this part we got y plus 1 equals to 0, so y equals to minus 1. Since we have considered x minus 1 by x plus 3 equals to y, so we are replacing it equals to minus 1. So on cross multiplication we are going to get x minus 1 equals to minus x plus minus minus 3. So x plus x equals to minus 3 plus 1. Twice x equals to minus 2. So x will be minus 2 by 2 which will give minus 1. Therefore minus 23 by 5 and minus 1 are required roots of the given equation. I hope rest of the sums of 4C you can do because they are of the same type, and in the next video I am going to start sums of 4D. Till then, bye bye, take care and wait for the next part.